Hello, you're looking at my Briggs & Stratton Quantum XM50 lawn mower, which is a Victa Corvette Series 400. And today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on this lawn mower. So the air filter is located behind that black sort of rectangular part there in front of you. So the first step is just to remove those two screws there. So we'll remove the one that's holding the throttle cable first. Okay, so the screw's removed now for the throttle cable, and then just remove that second screw that holds the cover, the air filter cover in place. Okay, there's the screw removed for the air filter cover, and that sort of hinges downwards. You can actually hinge it also on the air filtering tube as well. And there's the paper air filter that's covered in oil for some reason that needs to be removed and replaced. And there's also this foam filter that needs to be replaced as well. So there we go. Do not oil. Don't put oil on your new foam filter. And just give the insides a bit of a clean out, just in case there's any sort of dirt. It's good to give it a bit of a wipe out. It's pretty clean on the other side as well, but give it a bit of a wipe just in case. There's a new part, that's the foam filter, which we'll put in first, and just put that in with that sort of mesh side facing down. Yeah, the mesh side down, the foam side up. Push that in. So next, reattach that air filter cover, line up those three holes with the three lugs at the bottom of that cover, and there it is, it's now attached. And then push in the paper air filter with the paper down, the grill, the mesh side up, and push that into place. Pop in the screw, hold it in place with your hand, and just get the screwdriver to tighten up the screw. There it is, nice and tight. So the next step is to reattach the screw, that little holder, to the throttle cable, and make sure you haven't moved the throttle cable, and just lined up in the same position, and just make sure that the cable is sort of underneath the screw hole, underneath the screw, and then tighten it up. Okay, so there it is, it's all back in place. Don't worry that you can see a bit of blue, because that's just coming out of the air filter, and just sort of creates a seal all the way around then with that the blue edge on that paper air filter. Okay, so there we go. The air filter has now been replaced. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.